in today's video, we will be talking about our latest Huawei Watch GT4 top 3 key selling points. The first key selling point is new iconic design. The second key selling point is up to 14 days battery life. And the third key selling point is upgraded 24/7 health management. So let's get started. The first KSP is the new iconic design. This design is inspired by the precision of a brilliant diamond cut and the dynamism of octagonal headlights found in performance cars. Huawei Watch GT4 46mm's design takes a step beyond the boundaries of traditional timepieces, incorporating the classic with futuristic design elements. This timepiece elegantly merges tradition with technology. The octagon is unique and eye-catching, unlike the traditional round watches, demonstrating a bold attitude toward life. Unique octagonal design takes a bold step to new heights. Our newly launched Huawei Watch GT4 series brings timeless yet innovative smartwatches to your wrist. They are available in two sizes, 46mm and 41mm, and both are available in wide variety of colors to match your style. Watch GT4 in 46mm has a unique octagonal design. It has several styles you can choose from. Black Vibrant Edition offers more athlete elegance. Green and Brown Editions offers more luxurious look. Grey Premium Edition for ultimate fashion statement. All models are wrapped in stainless steel case, ensuring durability and also giving you a more luxurious feel. Moreover, we have numerous watch faces for further customization. And the Huawei Watch GT4 41mm, the pendant design fashionable elegance with lightness. Huawei Watch GT4 41mm embodies the perfect balance of fashionable elegance with cleverly designed floating pearl lugs, elevating the timepiece to new heights of sophistication. With its slim and elegant aesthetic as well as manual polishing craftsmanship, it will harmonize with your personal style, creating an elegant, timeless style statement. And the second KSP is up to 14 days battery life. Advantage of having this feature, Huawei Watch GT4 has one of the longest battery lives in the industry, bringing you the more anxiety-free experience. Benefit of having this feature, this Huawei Watch GT4 you can use up to 14 days, and for charging, it will take approximately 100 minutes to fully charge and equipped with reverse wireless charging from your phone in case of emergency. Example, if you are going for a trip with your friends and you forget your charger to bring with you, so don't worry, this reverse wireless charging feature you can charge your watch with your phone. And the third KSP is upgraded 24/7 health management. Advantage of having this feature, Huawei Watch GT4 will serve you as a perfect health and fitness companion from the moment you wake up till the end of your day. Benefit of having this feature, Huawei Watch GT4 will monitor your heart rate and will give you alerts on any abnormal changes thanks to Huawei TrueScene 5.5 Plus smart heart rate monitoring. It supports sleep monitoring without disturbing you and monitors your heart rate 24/7 to improve your health and vitality. Huawei Watch GT4 can help you identify your sleep apnea risk by detecting the frequency of blood oxygen drop and change of heart rate during sleep throughout the night and make recommendations for sleep improvement. Also, Huawei introduced the pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, which can proactively gives you comprehensive cardiac health management with timely alerts on potential AFib and premature beat risks, especially beneficial to young people who often stay up late and suffering from a big burden on the heart unconsciously. Moreover, thanks to Huawei Watch GT4 continuous SpO2 monitoring, you are able to track oxygen level in your blood in real time and stay up to date with your well-being. For example, if you are working out at the gym, all day SpO2 will keep track of oxygen levels in your blood and make sure that the workout is not affecting your well-being. So special thanks to Huawei for giving us amazing and best smartwatch, and thanks to all of you guys for watching my video. We'll meet soon with another video and another content. Till then, bye bye.